Welcome to my 4 month braid lock journey. So here is immediately when I finished braiding, and these are just a couple of images of what it looked like right away. They were smaller than I expected, and they're just all over the place, and that was the face of a very tired me because I was braiding for hours, and they're all different widths and stuff intentionally. And here is a few days later. The 25th of the month is always an anniversary, and this is the 4 months anniversary. So this is a look. I had a Zoom meeting, and I was playing around doing like a home photo shoot, and you can see that they were not sticking out as much, but they're kind of laying down a little bit more straight instead of just kicking out at the ends anywhere. And I wanted to do braid locks because I had attempted locks before, but doing them with twists, they shrunk a lot. So this was a go-to style, the bangs and a little bun. And then this is also just me having them all over the place. So being silly as always. Yeah, but these are pictures that kind of show my hair, so you'll get a whole wide variety. This is still in that first month. This is still as well in the first month, and I had like a turban on. So sometimes I'd put a turban on if I didn't like it, or I would just have my hair, out. And I started styling. This was also in that first month, maybe month and a half. And the go-to is just having it down or clip some to the side. And please forgive the faces, but it shows my hair. So then I started taking to putting it in a bun. And this is when I traveled to Mexico. This was going now into the second month. And so we have it, and I would put it in two pigtails, two buns, or just kind of have them hanging down. And this is what it looked like. I feel like it really started to thrive in the humidity of Mexico. This is a wig. I wanted to show that I could have a sun hat, a wig covering it, and this is one of my many looks once I was able to snatch it up and put it in a bun. And this is month 2 of the braid locks, all of these styles right here. So you can see the change a little bit in the texture, and it would work with whatever. Water, this is one of my favorite looks. Pin it up to the side, have it cascading on one side, and that's it. More looks, more of a half up, half down situation. Fuzziness everywhere, so much fuzziness. This was me being on 1,000 Zoom calls, but pigtails, nonetheless, you can see that texture. And this is after I wash it, it'll get those little ringlets and coils at the ends. This is a day in the pool, and you'll see more. This is going into month 3. And yeah, this is going into month 3, ending up with month 4. So these looks are a little bit more mature. The hair is doing more of its own thing. You still see the braid pattern, but it is definitely doing its own thing. The hair is changing from month to month, and these last set of pictures are approaching month 4. At the start of month 4, this is what my hair looks like. It can still fit in a baseball cap. I can store it in a messy bun, or I can have it like this, dried and air dried, and that's pretty much it. This is my hair. I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world. I'm very excited about this particular lock journey. Thank you for watching.